Plugging away on Steve's 72. Got most of our bolts started. I went to the store, bought a few new bolts because we had obviously broken ones, stripped ones, etc. So they had some flange head bolts, similar to the same length. The factory ones are like 2 1/16. I got 2s and I got 2 1/8. So we'll be all right. I'm gonna bolt this baby together, get this done, get these valve covers off, this breather off. I might gently shoot that little trapeze there. And I want to do that alternator bracket because that thing's driving me nuts. But I ain't gonna get too crazy. Like, I'm not getting in there because it's just too much effort for us for just a tight little spruce up. If and when the motor ever comes out of this car, expect full perfect detailing, of course. But a little tidy up will go a long way. All right, got the breather off. You can see where somebody else painted it and didn't pay attention to what they're doing. So I'm gonna sand that lightly, clean it up one more time and shoot that. Getting ready to pull valve covers real quick. Get those cleaned up and shot. Exhaust manifold, stellar. Just gotta tighten everything down. Moving along, moving along. Nothing like painting stuff with the correct color. Cadillac blue. It's so beautiful. I love it. All right, just pulled the valve cover. There's old gasket crusty in here, but it came off pretty nice, pretty clean. Yeah, look at that. It's flaking off. Quick little scrape with the old razor blade. Little wipe down, set our fresh gasket. Ugh. And we got our valve cover here. Quick cleanup, easy, easy. Same thing, pop the gasket. Pop that grommet, clean it, paint it, down the road. Driver's side valve cover, done. Both sides of the breather, done. Gonna go pull the passenger side valve cover, and clean it up, and go get on it. Right, got all the bolts here out of the passenger side valve cover. I'm gonna unstick it, clean her up, and shoot her just like the other side. Gonna get this tab too. I'm just gonna stick some cardboard back here and just juju it up a wee bit, as they say. And then go undo this one little bracky here. I might even just put some cardboard and just missed it. Just, it's busy. Lots going on. Coming together, looking good. Just need to tighten down the bolts. Fresh gaskets. Painted that little bracket, you know, for when you pull the motor, the little hanging bracket. Spruced that up, spruced up the valve cover. Other valve cover's about to get painted. It's got gasket remover soaking, but we're almost done, boys and girls. Got our valve covers painted, installed, looking good. I told Steve I'm gonna touch up this air cleaner and order him a new sticker. Next week, I'm gonna get the sticker coming. I just want to touch up the air cleaner. I just want to shoot it real quick. But we're pretty much all back together. I just got to put the heat stove on here and bolt up the collector, change the oil, and fire this baby up. But man, she's looking so much better. Right, we got everything hooked up. Got the oil drained, tightened down the collector. It's our old oil. Just gonna put oil in this baby. These motors, I like to put some zinc additive in, obviously, and I like to run, obviously, Mobil 1 filter. I like to run Lucas Oil Products Zinc Plus. Works great in these old flat tappet motors because a lot of this oil doesn't have zinc. And then I either use a Lucas oil, or if the store's out, or if I can't get any, I get a high zinc VR1 Valvoline Racing. Up and running. A little bit of smoke from that exhaust manifold, which is obviously painted. And of course, there's always going to be a little bit of the penetrating lube left from when we cut everything out. Valve cover's looking good. We got fresh oil in it. Happy camper. Switch that up a little bit. Smog pump's a little noisy, but they usually are. Looking good. Gonna clean up and get out of here and go home.